Imagine if you could travel back in time and give your younger self a financial secret to grow rich. That secret is compound interest, the process where your investment earns interest on both the principal amount and any interest that accumulates over time. It's like a snowball rolling downhill. Let's say you invest $100 at an annual interest rate of 7%. In 1 year, it grows to about $107. But in the next year, that new amount earns more. So after 2 years, you have roughly $114.5. Now imagine this happening every single year for 50 years at that same rate. That's when compound interest really starts working its magic. The common misconception is that it's only about how much you invest, but timing and the power of compounding can make a huge difference. Starting early makes more impact than starting with more money. For example, if you invest $100 at 7% for 50 years, it becomes over $259,876. But waiting just 10 years to start reduces your total by tens of thousands. Remember, the earlier you start, the more compound interest works in your favor. This is why starting small and early can build wealth over time. Compound interest isn't magic or guaranteed. It requires patience, consistency, and understanding how the process works. It's also important to understand that different investments have different risks and returns. Subscribe for more insights into the mechanics of money knowledge you can use to make smarter financial decisions. Understanding compound interest is just the beginning.